Gotta keep getting firewood, obviously, to keep the fire going this afternoon. I'm sorry about this not so good camera work. I'm just going down a hill and filming and trying to look for stuff at the same time. It's just a little bit complicated. It's the view's not half bad though, what I'm looking at. Not bad. Not bad, eh? Then you can return to a less good view. Yeah. Well, it's got me in it. But yeah, I'm just trying to look for firewood at the same time here. And it's actually proving to be a little bit more difficult since I've already kind of scrounged through some of this to look for firewood. I don't think I've looked up there. Huh. Anyway, I'm gonna have to try some new places to find stuff because I got stuff here this morning. Anyways. A little bit of an update. I've just been looking for firewood and I just found this rock. I guess to contemplate my thoughts or write poetry or something, I don't know. But here it is. It gives this amazing view of the river. Not asleep. Biscuits. I want to just try some of the sausage.
It's good. It tastes like sausage.
I like it.
What, this is sausage?
Oh, the bannock with the like the broth. I guess we'll call it. It's quite good. Let's get a review from Sam.
8.5 out of 10.
8.5 out of 10.
I think it's quite phenomenal, especially with the chickpeas.
Compared to the shepherd's pie we had the last video.
I think the chickpeas are quite phenomenal here. I think it goes really well. And the spinach, all around, real good. That's a yes for me.
Look at this American's Got Talent.
Golden buzzer! Woo!
Seconds.
Oh, I love food, my mom. I
Well, that would make you look like a total idiot. If you swore on camera.
Been there, done that.
Pieces of bannock left.
Bring me one.
Wow, trying to steal the show, eh?
It's not a hard thing to do.
Considering this is the show. This is the show that he has to steal. No. Come on.
What the heck?
They call me Kawhi.
Do not hit the camera.
Exactly.
That's Carson literally just took off.
For the phone, Carson. The water's almost ready.
What did he just say? So we just finished dinner. We cleaned up, did dishes and stuff. And now Wes has gone back to fishing. And Sam, I, and Will might go out in a canoe. Kind of get some, just look at the scenery, I guess. And just relax a little bit out on the lake. That's about it, really. Just go relax out on the lake. So, yeah, should be interesting. Not always the easiest thing to do. This, walk, film, and carry some logs with you for firewood. But trying, I guess it's such a first world problem. I'm triple tasking. So everybody's just kind of in their tents now, packed up. Well, not packed up. Thanks, Sam. Thanks for that. We had a whole bunch of s'mores, which I didn't film, but yeah. We consumed a lot of sugar a few hours ago, but yeah. Yeah, I guess we had a nice campfire, but now it's time for bed. See you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. I've come to a secluded part of the forest on this Sunday morning. Only Roger and Derek are really awake, and me, obviously. I think Sam and Will are probably awake in their tent, but they're not up and out yet. And the same thing with Wes, probably. As you can tell, it's also really foggy this morning. I think I just took some video. I can't see anything. Like, when you look across the river and the lake, there's nothing. You can't see anything. So we're gonna have to wait for this fog to go before we try to paddle out, because otherwise it's going to be very, very difficult to actually see where we're going. May as well get some firewood while I'm here, why not? Wakey wakies. here we go. All the tents are packed up. That's where Scott Rogers' tent was, my tent there. And then Sam and Will's tent and Wes's tent back in here. He's packed up as well. See if I can get a better view of this. And he's pretty much all packed up here. And I think Doubter Scarrick's hammock is also packed up because I don't see it anymore. And we're just eating breakfast over by the fire pit. If I can walk all the way over here without tripping, over all the treacherous roots end up. And there we are. All packed up, except for Will, basically. It's all Will's fault. If we leave late, it's Will's fault. Oh, come on, it's all Will's fault. Come on.
Oh, Will's fault.
Let's all participate in bullying Will for no reason. But then, Doubter Scarrick.
Fire slut.
When are we leaving?
I don't know. Like 10?
I thought you would have known, Sam.
I thought 9:45.
I thought you were really excited to leave.
I'm just excited.
You could probably take our time on the way back. He's gonna throw his fishing rod in the lake and try to fish. Just throw it in, the whole rod and all, and he'll just go fishing, and he'll catch something. Logic.
Hey, we're going home.
Well, thanks for watching. This is the end of the video, and now let's go to the outro.
If you're subscribed to this channel, just unsubscribe. Like, it's just a waste of your time.